computer programmer, and this is usually the website that I go to, Tom H. Corman, who's now retired but was a professor in the computer science department at Dartmouth and has a very 90s webpage, or a very simple webpage. And by the way, I think that this page I looked at for Lester Valdez, I don't think that was actually made by Linus. I think that this was made by someone else. Okay, so anyway, so we still have an HTML. In our head, we do have a title. There's a link that includes, this is how you have that little icon show up. It's called a fav icon. So we can do something similar and use a link to have, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this and go into here and go to